Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change a keyboard layout so that you can be able to interchange your @ and hashtag buttons in the manner that suits your needs. First of all, go to your settings. Choose time and language from the left navigation menu, then select language and region. Choose your preferred language, which may be probably US in my case. Above here is where you select your layout. Click on the three dots and select the language options. Look for keyboard option, then click Add Keyboard. For our case, it's US. Now there are two keyboard options. Click on the three horizontal dots and remove the one that is not required. Return to language and region and add a language if you need, but for this case, we just need English, United States. Now our keyboard is okay. If you click Shift together with button 3, you should get hashtag sign. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helps you. Remember to subscribe to my channel, share the video if you find it helpful.